Hello everybody, it's Shock Puppet here. I'm going to be showing you how to fix a broken USB or a USB that doesn't want to show up on your computer. So when trying to get your USB drive to work properly on your computer, there are two main options that are available for you. The first thing you can try to do is you can reformat your USB drive. However, if you do this, you will lose all of the data on that drive. This is probably the most common way to fix the problem. However, it assumes that your USB drive is showing up on your computer at all. The second method is to reinstall the device itself. This is what you will need to try if your computer is not recognizing your device. So let's have a look at the first method quickly. So you can see this is my computer here. It's showing all of the drives here. At the top we've got the local disk drive, which is my C drive, and underneath we've got a DVD drive and the Blu-ray drive here. So what I'm going to do is plug the USB drive in, and you can see it's already detected that there's a problem. It's appeared here as removable disk F, and it's asking to format the disk. Now you can format it, and if I try to go back in, it won't let me in. It'll just say you need to format. So let's click on format. Now the capacity says 7.2, which is correct. You'll notice there's no other capacity in the list. The file system is FAT32, which is the default. There's a couple of others. You want to leave it as FAT. You want to leave everything the same, and with quick format here, you want to leave that on too. And just click start. Now, it'll warn you that you're going to lose all your data. Just click OK. And it will do its thing. And that's it, format complete. Now, if you have a look, we can go into that drive and everything's fine now. Just try going back in again, and as you can see, it's working perfectly. So if Windows Format isn't working for you, you can try the HP USB Format tool. All you need to do is go into Google and type in HP USB Format, and you will see there's a few different websites that you can download this HP tool from. So I'm just going to pick the first one on the list, and I'm just going to click the download link and download that file. So this is an alternative to the Windows Format tool, and you may have some success with this method if the other way doesn't work for you. So here you can see it's got our device, which is right. The file system underneath is on FAT32, which is fine. We also want to leave this on quick format and just click start. It'll come up with a warning saying that all the data will be lost. Just check very carefully that this is indeed the device that you want to format, and just click OK. And you can see here it says formatting the device and success. It'll come up with a message. Just click OK. And if we go back into the computer, we can see the device here, and I'm able to access it without any problems at all. Now, the other thing that we can try to do, and this may be especially useful for anyone whose device isn't even showing up on their PC, is we can try and reinstall the device itself on the system level, and it's really quite easy. I'll just show you how to do that quickly. Okay, so all we need to do is go into the control panel, just click start and click on control panel here in the list, and you can see this is the category view. If this view pops up, all you need to do is click on hardware and sound, and then at the top just click on Device Manager, and Device Manager will pop up. If you're using one of the icons views, as you can see here, Device Manager is right there on the list, so just click it and Device Manager will pop up. Okay, now what you want to focus on is disk drives. If you're getting unknown device here, what you need to do is you need to right click it and then click on uninstall. And it will ask you if you really want to do this. Just click OK, and now you can see that my USB drive has disappeared from the list. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug my USB drive and I'm going to plug it back in. Now as you can see down the bottom, it says that the USB drive has been successfully detected and installed, and it's showing up on the list. So now what we can do is we can go back into our computer, and you can see it's already popped up with the autoplay. It's detected it straight away. And you can see it's here in the list. So it's reinstalled that device, and now it's working and everything's fine. So you need to be careful with this, that you are really uninstalling your USB device and not any other drives in your computer. If you uninstall a drive that's not your USB drive, you could potentially cause some problems with your PC that may be a bit tricky to deal with, so please don't do that. Anyway, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. That's it from me.